I have the tie rod off here, and I see that my tire is leveled, looking straight from the front tire to the rear tire. That it's lined up. Best I can do it just by looking at it. And I took my bolted loose here on my tie rod, loosen it up so I can twist my tie rod till it gets over. It's over here to the slot that goes in there on the steering nickel, and that gave me a pretty straight lineup. And I'm also going to look from the rear. So I already got this adjusted, and where I want it, well, just to show you what I did, I took this nutter loose, and I was able to take my outer tie rod and wind it over until where I believe my tire looks pretty straight, and just inserted both tie rods in. Didn't tighten nothing down. You just got to get this out. Over just a little here. Got my tie rod in there, and I'm going to screw it down, and I put my nut on there and my pin in place, and that should give me a pretty smooth route until I can get my free alignment. But that's how I got my tires aligned. Look at it from the rear. Looking at them from the rear, just do one side. You can't tell by the camera, but from my side they look like they're in a straight line. Virtually too, this is how I lined up my tires, my front wheels rather. After putting on my tie rods, they were not looking the same. One wheel was facing one way, one was facing in. So this is how I got them lined up. I got my two jacks under my low control arm. I just jacked it up just a little. I got blocks in the back of my tires. Got my emergency brake on, and I got my tie rods out. I took by hand, I lined up both my tires, and got my steering wheel in the center. Let me do that. And I got my tie rod here, my outer tie rod here lined up where I wanted to go. I'm just gonna put my nut on and put the pin in. I'm gonna drive and see how straight I go. Diversity 2, this is how I line up my tires once I put on my new tie rod ends. One time I went to a shop to get an alignment, and they told me I was only a few meters off from what the machine actually did. So this actually works. Thanks for watching. Diversity 2, and don't forget to subscribe.